Hello, I am Mahesh Vishakarma from Lokmanya Tilak College of Engineering, Mumbai, and today I am going to tell about the overall experience of mine in this internship, and 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 I am thankful that I got this golden opportunity to learn on the live hands-on project how to make project from the by just learning from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or having some knowledge from all this programming you can make a fully fledged website from this. Now, if we talk about the outline of this presentation is overview, goals, requirements, architecture and design. Fifth one is full stack web development and MERN Stack. In full stack web development and MERN Stack, I'm going to just introduce about them. Uh, Seventh one is implementation and eighth one is conclusion. Now, first of all, let's talk about the overview of this internship. In this internship, I have made food ordering website project, and it is a fully fledged website where a user can put the put the data and can fetch the data, and it is the main motive of this project is to make that a user can order food from the local restaurant and it can be delivered to the doorstep. The project is based on the MERN Stack technology, where MERN Stack stands for MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js. Now, what are the goals of this internship? The goal of this internship was to make the intern uh, more skill to get more skills in the hands-on project and to also get knowledge in full stack development, that how the back end, front end, and Mongo database is used in the project, and how to make a fully fledged website uh, by just learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programming. So in this intern will gain experience in front end, back end development, and database design, and also about testing, how to test the uh, website, and also how to deploy any website and APIs in the project. Uh, if we talk about the requirements, there are majorly three requirements: functional, non-functional, and technology requirement. In functional requirement, uh, a customer is allowed to browse menus and place the order by just sitting from their home. And it also provides a secure environment to pay your payment. Second one is non-functional requirement. Non-functional requirement is plays a major role, where if the website should be compatible to all the devices, and it should be second one is it should be fast and interactive, and also fully fledged website, a responsive website to the user. And third one is there should be no traffic. Suppose if we take example, if a number of users are coming to the website, then there should be no traffic, there should be no error, no server error response. Third one is technology requirement. In technology requirement, we have used for technology: RESTful APIs, MongoDB, React.js, Node.js. API, where RESTful API stands for Application Interface, Application Programming Interface, which is used for fetching data from the backend or also from any site to the front end by to the front end for the users in for the users output, and it should be seamless. Second one is MongoDB. MongoDB is used for storing data, where all the data of the user, like email ID, password, payment gateways, all these and ordering, all these are stored in the MongoDB. React.js is for front-end development. In this, all the UIs for making user more interactive and make the website more responsive. All this part is made from the React.js. In React.js, JavaScript is majorly used, and uh, and CSS is used for design. And fourth one is Node.js. Node.js is a backend development where Node.js is used to fetch data from the backend to the front end, whichever the user gives the input, and it fetches the data from the backend and it shows to the user. If we talk about the architecture and design, the architecture of this project plays a major role to understand about the project in a proper manner. So, the project is based on the MERN Stack development, where MERN stand for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, and it is and all MERN Stack is plays a very important role to make any website more to build any website, and it and make a website more interactive and fully fledged responsive website. I have divided architecture into four parts. First one is front end, second is back end development, third one is database management, fourth one is API development. Front end. Front end. In front end, we have used JavaScript libraries for making the interface more interactive to the user. And in this, we have used the technology of React.js, where all the JavaScript code are written in the React.js, and front end majorly focus on the user interface, and it should be responsive and user friendly, that any customer or user can interact with the website without hesitation. Second one is backend development. In backend development, we have used Node.js and Express.js. Express.js is used for provide a fast and scalable server-side framework for building any web application, where Node.js is used for fetching data from the backend and give to the front end. And all this backend can handle an large number of response, and Node.js Node.js can also handle large number of responses and can fetch data from the backend and give to the as a response. So third one is database management. In database management, we have used MongoDB. There are many database manager like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MongoDB. But in this project, I have used MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, and it is used for storing and managing data, where a large number of our data can be stored without any hesitation, and it also provides flexible and scalable solution to the database. And in this MongoDB database are data are stored in the JSON format, so that user can understand, and also pro, machine language can be understand in the JSON format. And the fourth one is API development. In API development, we have used RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js. When Node.js API stands for Application Programming Interface, And Node.js is used for fetching data from the backend, and Express.js gives a framework to the Node.js to communicate between the frontend and backend. Now, if we talk about the full stack web development, and in this I am going to just introduce about the full stack web development. Full stack web development is a process of making a web application more web application user from the front-end user interface to the back-end server-side logic and database management. There are majorly typically three layers to make any web application. First one is presentation layer, second is application layer, and third one is data layer. In presentation layer, we use technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make the site more responsible for UI to make interactive, and it can handle user interaction more efficiently. Second one is application layer. Application layer, also known as server side. In this, we are going to use Node.js, Spring.js, and Ruby. But in this project, we have used Node.js. Node.js helps to fetch data from the backend and to generate response whichever is given by the user. Now, third one is data layer. Data layer is used for storing the data and fetching data. And in this, common technologies are used as MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. But in our project, we have used MongoDB. Now, if we talk about the MERN Stack stand for four main technology: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. MongoDB is used for storing data in a JSON format, and which is a scalable, flexible, and making application more application with the constantly changing data requirement. Express.js is used for framework to provide web applications such as routing and middleware, where React.js is used for making user interface and make the site more interactive to the and run efficiently to the or by the to the or by the user, where Node.js is used for running the JavaScript in the web browser, and it is making it also helps to making it possible to build server side application using JavaScript. Now I am going to implement this project. These are all the codes for the project. Now to run the project, first we have to open terminal. First we have to open backend directory to connect the MongoDB to the server. To run the MongoDB, we have to write node run server. Where here you can see that server started on port development and MongoDB database is connected to the host. Now we have to open another directory to run the front end. cd front end. To run the front end, we have to write npm start. Now deployment part will be done in the JavaScript. Now Node.js parts come here, where Node.js will run the JavaScript in the web browser. After deployment, the website will look like this. Here you can see that there is a logo here, search bar is here, cart, and here is profile user login, and here you can see that pure veg, sort by review, sort by rating, and these are all the restaurant, where all this restaurant contains uh, menu. Here you can see that trademark is there for making food well delivery in footer. Now I'm going to first of all log in, and this is my mail. This is now let's for new user. Let's now make a name. Hello. Mail is hello at the rate gmail.com or .in. Password hello. Again we have to confirm the password. Now here I have to put number. Let's say we take random number. Now choose avatar. I'm going to choose a car. Now register. After registering, it will take some time to store the data in the memory. Now we have to check orders. We haven't ordered anything. If I click on this logo big byte, here you can see that home directory or home file is open. Now if I search pizza in the it will show if I search pizza, it will show the restaurant which is having pizza containing pizza. So here you can see that Pizza Hut, Domino's Pizza. Now if I'm going to order from Domino's Pizza, cheese corn pizza and double decker pizza. Here you can see that items added to the carts are showing with a green tick, and status of these menus are that they are in stock. And if I order Coke, all these are in stock and items are added to the cart, and we have selected total 5 items: 1 2 3 4 5. So here you can see that 5 is coming. Now I'm going to here you can add you can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity, and you can also delete, like I'm going to delete this Oreo milkshake. It is deleted. Previously it was 10 units, now it is 8 units, and the total cost for it is 1076 rupees. Now I'm going to check out. Here you can see that address is having green over. After filling this address, if I fill the address, let's take all the random input. Here you can choose your own country. Now I'm in India. I will choose India. You can also choose any. Now I will continue. After continuing, here you can see that previously it was on address. The green over was only on address, but now it is on confirm order. Here you can see that delivery info. The name of the user is hello, and here it is also same. Your phone number is coming, address, and your cart item, that how much quantity you have taken. Uh, Cheese corn pizza double decker, and here you can see that price. Here order summary is there. Total subtotal was 1076, and here delivery charge is 0 because if you order above 500 delivery, there is no delivery charge. If you order below 500, then there will be some delivery charge, and tax should be paid, like GST we are paying 53.8 80 paise. The total cost is 1129.80 paisa. Now I'm going to proceed for payment. Here after previously it was confirm order was only green. Now payment is also green. After now I'm going to put developer's card number info, which is 424242. Expiry date is now. If I'm going to pay, here you can see that your order has been successfully placed. Now if I go to orders, or from here I can also go. If I go from here, here I can see that from which restaurant I have ordered Domino's pizza, what I have ordered cheese corn pizza, double decker margarita pizza, coke, and number of items what I have added, like 2, 2, 2, and 2, where amount is 1129.80 paise. Where status is processing and today's date is where I can see that here is order transaction ID. This is a random transaction ID, and all the delivery info is there, and you can see that payment is paid. Now my food is getting prepared in the restaurant. Here I can see that payment has been done. Here I can see that 1129.80 paise is there. Payment is from Visa card. You can see the ID. Owner name is owner mail is hello@gmail.in, and these are the expiries. And here you can see the location of from where I have been. If I click again on the logo, it gets directed to the home. For conclusion, uh, and the overall conclusion is that in this internship I have made food ordering website using MERN Stack technology, where I get to know get got the knowledge about the our database designing, how to store the data, and how to make front end and how to make back end, and how to deploy and use the APIs, and also test how to test any web application. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.